Hello everyone! So today we are going to be learning how to find the volume of 3D figures. So to start off, I'm going to answer a quick question. What is volume? So volume is the space that a three-dimensional figure takes up. And in this unit, we will be measuring that space using unit cubes. So this is 1 unit cube. So, how do we use the unit cubes to find our volume? Well, the volume is the number of unit cubes that makes up the shape. So, as we can see with this shape right here, it only goes 1 cube back. So there's only 1 cube here, 1 cube here, 1 cube here, and 1 cube here. So that makes up 1, 2, 3, 4. So for this shape, I'll put it back together. What would our volume be? So since we have 4 unit cubes, as we just counted together, that means that our volume is equal to 4 cubic units. You can also write it as 4 units cubed to just shorten it up. Now, what do we do if a specific unit of measure is provided to us? This is the same shape from the last equation, but if you noticed in the last equation I didn't ask for a specific unit of measure. Now I'm asking what the volume is in feet. So, what changes? Not very much, honestly. This was our equation's answer for the last one. The only thing that will change really is that you'll be more specific and put what the unit is. What is the unit that we are measuring in? We are measuring in feet now. So we'll say 4 cubic feet or 4 feet cubed. So let's do some practice of what we've learned so far. So here's our first equation. We are being asked, what is the volume in feet? So I'm going to underline feet, just so we can remember what our unit of measure is for this equation. So, how do we find the volume? Well, we count how many boxes there are. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. And we also see that it only goes 1 back, so there's not a second row of boxes behind these. So, the answer for this equation is that our volume is 4 feet. And don't forget you're cubed. So, let's do another one. Let's do this one. Now this one is asking, what is the volume in centimeters? And as we all know, centimeters is shortened as cm. So same thing here. We're going to count our unit cubes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And as we can see in this one as well, there's no second row of cubes behind this. So, what is our volume? Our volume is 7 centimeters. As we know, cm is short for centimeters, as we just said, and cubed. Now, let's do one more. I'm going to move this one over here and put this one here. So, this one is asking, what is our volume in inches? Now, this is going to be pretty much the same process. It only goes one row back. There's not a second row of boxes behind this. So we can just count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our volume is 6 inches, IN, which is short for inches, cubed.